How to download and install Binance app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Binance app on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top. And here, simply type Binance and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can see the Binance option. So simply tap on it. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the install button. And once you tap on it, the installation process will start. And here it may depend on your internet speed, so you just have to wait for a little bit time. And now here, once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on open button to launch it. And that's it. That's how you can install Binance app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.